Hey guys, it's the Crystal Chef here. I'm on my way home. We had a storm, and I think we got about, I don't know, I want to say 7 to 12 inches maybe. And it was all powder. And so I'm driving through a golf course right now that has houses in it and stuff. And it's really pretty. The snow is like that's what I like Maine, because you get the snow, you know. At least this year, anyway. It's freaking really nice. And I'm passing the country club, the golf country club, and I'm surprised more people don't go like snowmobiling and stuff over here. But I guess they'd be getting in a lot of trouble. Yeah, and then they got I don't know what it is, the depot or something. But there's a big hill right there. Kids could go sledding on that. And then we're coming down the road here. I'm going to go and say hello to my mom real quick and tell her that I love her, and then I'm going to go home. And yeah, and that's it. Alright guys, Crystal Chef signing out. Peace out, y'all.